How to design print-on-demand joggers on Printify. The first thing you want to do after creating your account on Printify or signing in, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Catalog, then you're going to select Catalog Home. From here, you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in joggers. So you're going to do that real quick. After doing that, you can select your target market. So I'm going to be selecting USA. After you have done that, you can see right here, this is the option that we have at the moment. If you were to select US and China, you will realize that you have more options, as you can see right there. So it all depends on which target market you choose. So we're going to be selecting this one right here and we're going to be adding our design. So all you'll need to do is tap on it. After you have done that, you can simply scroll down, and once you have done that, you can tap on Start Designing from the right hand menu option. So we're going to tap on Start Designing and then you'll be redirected to a new page. You can also change the color by tapping here. If there were more colors, you could select a different color. So you could tap on Select Variants, and from there you could normally select other colors, as you can see right here. So you could select charcoal also if you want, then tap on Update. Now that you have updated it, all you'll need to do, you can go over to the left hand menu option and from there you could upload your design. A good platform to go on to create a stunning design is Canva, and with Canva you'll be able to create a design for completely free. All you need to do is go onto Canva, create an account. Once you have created an account, for example, I typed in retro logo and you can see some recommendations right here. So all I did was select this design for example's sake, then you'll be redirected to a new page and you can tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to create or edit your design. So for example, I will be using the design that I had selected earlier with the car right here. So I can make some quick changes. For example, I could change the text. I could tap right here and I could change the text real quick. Or you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can see some similar designs that you can choose from. So for example, if I were to select this one, for example's sake, and you can also change the template style and color if you want, as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can choose from. You could select a different logo if you want that it looks similar or so on. But I'll leave this as is, as this is a quick example. And I'm going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download. Then you're going to select download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printify. Once back in Printify, you're going to tap on my device. After selecting my device, you're going to select the design that you had downloaded and you're going to tap on open. Once you have tapped on open, you can see the design is being added right there. Also with Printify, with the left hand menu options that they have, you could have chosen to write a text by tapping on text. You could have also chosen one of their graphics by tapping on graphics. You could select one of their pre-made graphics, as you can see right here. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll down from the right hand menu option and then from there you could tap on save product. After you have tapped on save product, you will now be able to choose the mockup that you would like to use. So would you like to use a close-up or a front mockup? You can select that option. You can also select the color that you would want to use in the mockup. As you can see right there, the color has changed. So you can choose which one of these you would like to use. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down and from here, you can edit the title. You can also add a size table to description if you want by tapping right there. So the next thing we're going to be doing after we have done this, you will simply tap on save as draft. After you have tapped on save as draft, we'll now be able to add a store, or we need to add a store, better yet. To add a store, if you don't have one already, you will tap on my store from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on add a new store. and you can select from any one of these platforms, whether you like to do print on demand on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, Printify pop-up, eBay, any one of these options you can select. So I'm going to be selecting Shopify for this example, and you can quickly create a Shopify store for completely free. After you have created your store, you can tap on View Your Online Store. Then you're going to simply copy your store URL and go back into Printify, and you're going to paste it right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on copy. Let me copy that again real quick. So I'm going to be copying my store URL. So let me copy it. Then go back into Printify, and I'm going to be pasting it right here. Then I'm going to tap on Connect. After you have tapped on Connect, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store. And from there, you can quickly download and install the Printify app. So just give it a few seconds. You're going to tap on Install right there. After tapping on Install, what we'll do next, we're going to complete the installation. And then you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. Once on the Printify dashboard, you'll now be able to add the joggers that we had created. Once you have selected My Products, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots. Then from there, you can tap on Copy to, and we're going to simply select My Store, or you can simply add it to your Shopify store if your options look different. But I'm going to be copying it to my Shopify store, as you can see right there. That's how you would do it. Then I'm going to tap on My Store from the left-hand menu option. And all I'm going to do now is scroll down and select my Shopify store that I had created. So you can see the product has now been added. Then from there, we're going to tap on Unpublished. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Publish in the bottom right-hand corner. And you can see it is being published right there. After it has been published, I'll be going back into my Shopify store, and I'll show you the joggers right there. You can see it is uploading images. And by the way, you can also add Printify on other platforms, just like what I showed you earlier. And Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms to use. Now we are back on the Shopify dashboard, and we're going to tap on Products from the left-hand menu option. And you can see it right here. And if we were to tap on Preview on Store, you can see how it looks right here. This is the product page. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe